Hey repair pros, welcome back to Mr. Phone Doctor. Today we're breaking down a Samsung S23 Ultra front screen repair, from crack to factory fresh. If you're getting into the refurbishing game or want to fine tune your workflow, this is the video for you. Let's jump right in. Here's what we'll be using today: the Nasan heat plate separator, a Nasan Supa Lite airbag laminator, the Nasan V2 Plus Autoclave, and the Refurb dust-free workstation. Replacement glass with pre-installed OCA, ISO alcohol 99%, a clean sponge, spindle tools, a soft toothbrush, and the OCA Tearaway plastic film. Optional but recommended is the UV curing lamp. These are the essentials for a clean, professional refurb, especially when working on curved OLED panels. If you need any of this equipment, please visit our web store at training.mrphonedoctor.com. Step 1. Let's make our incision point. Before anything, power on the screen to confirm that the OLED is fully functional. We always test display touch and color before separating. That way we know we're working with a good panel. With the screen still on, create a small controlled crack on both corners of the glass. This gives us the perfect incision point for separation, and testing live ensures no pixels damage occurs during that initial crack. Now place the display onto the Nasan heat plate separator face up. Set the temperature to 100 degrees Celsius and let it heat evenly for a few minutes to help soften the OCA adhesive. Once the glue loosens gently, slide your OCA separation card and wire between the glass and OLED to begin cutting through the glass. Always keep even tension and never rush the corners. That's where most curved OLEDs are most fragile. With the glass removed, let's clean the OLED surface. Start with your spindle tool to remove the heavy OCA residue. Use light, even passes, let the tool do the work. Next, use a soft toothbrush to clear out any small glass shards along the edges. Finally, grab a clean sponge and 99% alcohol to gently wipe the OLED in circular motions. This three-step process, spindle, toothbrush, sponge, ensures the display is completely free of residue and ready for the frame removal. Now we'll remove the frame. For this, always use the OCA Tearaway plastic sheet. Never use any blades. Before starting, apply plenty of 99% isopropyl alcohol around the edges. This keeps the separation film from sticking and makes it glide smoothly. Feed the film slowly between the OLED and frame, working evenly around all the sides. Be extra careful near the bottom where the fingerprint sensor is. You don't want to tear it. Take your time. Smooth, consistent motion prevents damage. Once the frame is off, flip the OLED over. You'll see some leftover adhesive on the back. Don't scrape it. Use your fingers to roll the glue off slowly until it peels away cleanly. Lastly, finish with a clean cloth and isopropyl alcohol to remove the final residue. A smooth, clean back ensures perfect lamination and no divots in the OLED. Now we're ready to line and laminate the new glass. Start inside the Refurb dust-free workstation. This is where we'll do all our final cleaning. Use clean cloth and ISO to remove any dust or lint. Even a single speck can cause a bubble during lamination, so this step is crucial. Once spotless, stand the OLED onto its side so we can get a good grab to align the glass. Clean the glass and remove the tearaway once ready. We will hand align the new front glass by hand, corner to corner, with cutouts perfectly centered. Then place the screen into the Nasan Supa Lite airbag laminator. Run the cycle for 35 seconds vacuum plus 35 seconds hold time. That gives you a tight, even bond with zero bubbles. Now it's time to remove any trapped bubbles and cure the adhesive. Place the laminated display into your autoclave for 5 to 7 minutes. The heat and pressure will push out any microbubbles and tighten the bond between glass and OLED. Once complete, move the screen under a UV curing light for a few minutes to harden the adhesive completely. After curing, wipe the screen and inspect under bright light. It should look brand new. Test the screen and you are done. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips. Always test the OLED while it's powered on before separation. Get in the habit of testing the OLED every single step of the process. Keep everything nice and wet with ISO 99 when using the Tearaway film. Roll off the back adhesive, never scrape it. Always clean and align inside a dust-free workstation. Use the Nasan Supa Lite at 35 seconds vacuum and 35 seconds hold time for best results. Finish every job with a 5 to 7 minute autoclave and UV curing light for that perfect bond. Lastly, don't rush. Last thing you want to do is rush this repair and damage your OLED. These small steps will help make your refurb work look factory quality every time. And that's the complete Samsung S23 Ultra front glass repair done the Mr. Phone Doctor way. If this helped, hit like, drop your questions below, and subscribe for more repair tutorials. All tools included, the Nasan heat plate separator, Refurb Workstation, and Autoclave can be found on our website at training.mrphonedoctor.com. I will leave links down below in the description area for you. The surgeon signing out. Cheers.